Hi, I'm Josh Arnold. Welcome to InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. A little bit about myself. I'm the Director of Collaboration Product Strategy for Q-SYS. This year, we're excited to have just announced the first all-in-one collaboration bar for Q-SYS. This is the RoomSuite collaboration bar. It is a Windows-based all-in-one appliance. Just a few quick specs on the bar. It does have a really high-performance quad camera array. 50 megapixel image sensors per camera, 16 microphone beamforming array in the bar. And in addition to the bar, it does come bundled with a new Q-SYS UC controller. This controller does have USB-C ingest capability, as well as bring your own meeting, bring your own device flexibility for bringing other platforms beyond Microsoft Teams into the meeting space. We are happy to partner with Microsoft. Just a little bit of a note about the bar again. It is, again, Windows-based. And as a Windows bar, you can trust that you'll be first in line for the great Microsoft Teams Rooms features. One last comment about the bar. We do have some expansion capabilities with the new RoomSuite collaboration bar table microphone. You can expand audio coverage with up to 4 of these microphones that daisy chain. They are Ethernet-based, simple connectivity to the bar, fully powered from the bar. And again, easily expand that audio coverage up into a large meeting room. Thanks for watching, and if there's any more questions, let's visit qsys.com for more information.